How to establish successful crochet business. Starting a successful crochet business requires a combination of creativity, business acumen, and effective marketing. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you establish and grow your crochet business. 1. Define your niche. Identify your specialty. Decide what type of crochet products you want to sell, e.g., clothing, accessories, home decor, amigurumi, baby items. Target audience. Determine who your ideal customers are, e.g., eco-conscious shoppers, parents, pet owners, fashion enthusiasts. Unique selling proposition, USP. What makes your product stand out? E.g., custom designs, sustainable materials, quick turnaround. 2. Develop your skills and brand. Hone your craft. Ensure your crochet skills are top-notch. Practice new techniques and stay updated on trends. Create a brand identity. Choose a business name, logo, and color scheme that reflect your style and appeal to your target audience. Build a portfolio. Take high-quality photos of your work to showcase your skills and style. 3. Create a business plan. Set goals. Define short-term and long-term goals, e.g., revenue targets, product launches. Budget. Calculate startup costs, materials, tools, marketing, etc., and set pricing for your products. Pricing strategy. Factor in material costs, time, and market rates. Don't undervalue your work. Legal requirements. Register your business, obtain necessary licenses, and research tax obligations. 4. Source quality materials. Yarn and supplies. Choose high-quality, durable materials that align with your brand, e.g., organic, eco-friendly, or luxury yarns. Suppliers. Build relationships with reliable suppliers to ensure consistent quality and pricing. 5. Set up your sales channels. Online store. Create an e-commerce website using platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or WooCommerce. Social media. Use Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and Facebook to showcase your work and engage with customers. Craft fairs and markets. Participate in local events to sell your products and build a customer base. Wholesale opportunities. Partner with boutiques or stores to sell your products on a larger scale. 6. Market your business. Content marketing. Share tutorials, behind-the-scenes content, and crochet tips to attract followers. Collaborations. Partner with influencers or other small businesses to expand your reach. Email marketing. Build an email list and send newsletters with updates, promotions, and new product launches. SEO and ads. Optimize your website and social media for search engines, and consider running targeted ads. 7. Offer excellent customer service communication. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and provide clear information about your products. Custom orders. Offer personalized options to attract customers looking for unique items. Packaging. Use attractive, eco-friendly packaging to enhance the unboxing experience. 8. Scale your business. Expand your product line. Introduce new designs or categories based on customer feedback and trends. Outsource or hire. If demand grows, consider hiring help or outsourcing tasks like packaging or marketing. Teach workshops. Offer crochet classes online or in person to diversify your income streams. 9. Track and adapt. Analyze sales. Use tools like Google Analytics or Etsy Stats to track your performance. Customer feedback. Listen to your customers and improve your products or services accordingly. Stay inspired. Keep up with crochet trends and innovate to stay ahead of the competition. 10. Stay consistent and patient. Building a successful business takes time. Stay consistent with your efforts, and don't be discouraged by slow growth initially. By combining your passion for crochet with smart business strategies, you can turn your craft into a thriving business.